Today, I am reviewing Garvee 7.5QT stand food mixer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Garvee 7.5QT stand food mixer is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance that is perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. Its striking red finish not only adds a touch of style to your kitchen, but also gives it a professional and modern look. The mixer comes with a generous 7.5-quart stainless steel bowl that can handle large batches of dough, batter, or any other mixture you need. The bowl features a convenient handle, making it easy to lift and maneuver, while the tilt-head design allows for quick and effortless installation or removal of the bowl and attachments. With 6 anti-slip silicone suction cups and a solid connecting rod, the mixer stays stable during operation, reducing vibration and noise even when mixing dense or heavy ingredients. Under the hood, the Garvee mixer is powered by a 660-watt pure copper motor, which provides consistent and reliable power for all kinds of mixing tasks. Whether you are kneading thick bread dough, whipping cream, or mixing cookie batter, this motor ensures smooth performance without slowing down. The mixer offers 10 different speed settings, allowing you to tailor its power to the task at hand. The first 3 speeds are perfect for the dough hook, ideal for heavy mixtures like bread or pizza dough. Speeds 4 through 7 work best with a flat beater for medium-heavy mixtures such as cookie dough, mashed potatoes, or salad dressings. The highest speeds, 8 to 10, are designed for the whisk attachment, making it easy to whip cream, beat egg whites, or prepare light and fluffy batters. This wide range of speeds makes the mixer incredibly versatile for any type of cooking or baking project. The mixer comes with 3 essential attachments: a dough hook, a flat beater, and a whisk. Each attachment is designed to handle specific tasks and is dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. A splash-proof cover is also included to prevent messes while mixing, which is especially useful when dealing with lighter ingredients like flour or powdered sugar. The tilt-head design adds an extra layer of safety and convenience, as the mixer automatically stops operating when the top half is lifted. This allows you to safely switch attachments or scrape the bowl without worrying about the motor running unexpectedly. The Garvee stand mixer is not only powerful and versatile, but also user-friendly. The anti-slip base ensures the mixer remains stationary, and the stable design reduces noise during operation. Its sturdy construction, combined with high-quality materials, ensures durability and long-lasting performance, making it a reliable appliance for years to come. This mixer is perfect for preparing a wide variety of dishes, from cakes, cookies, and bread to pasta, whipped cream, and even homemade ice cream. Whether you are cooking for yourself, your family, or entertaining guests, the Garvee mixer makes every task easier and more efficient. In addition to its impressive performance, this mixer makes a wonderful gift for anyone who loves baking or cooking. Its combination of power, versatility, and safety features ensures that even challenging recipes are handled with ease. With the included attachments, splash guard, and dishwasher-safe bowl, cleanup is simple and convenient. Garvee also provides a 30-day return policy, 12 months of free maintenance, parts replacement, and lifetime technology support, so you can feel confident in your purchase. Overall, the Garvee 7.5QT stand food mixer is an essential kitchen companion that saves time, enhances cooking efficiency, and allows you to create delicious meals and baked goods effortlessly.